So in this video, you'll learn how to enter pairing mode on your Logitech MX Master 3S mouse. So all you need to do is simply just turn your mouse upside down and then ensure that it's turned on. Once you've done that, you should see this button at the bottom of the mouse and with the labels 1, 2, and 3. So those are how many devices that you can connect to the mouse at the same time. But to enter pairing mode, again, it's fairly simple. Just press on this button for 2 to 3 seconds, and then you should see number 1 blinking. If you don't have a device already connected to this mouse, then you can just already go to your Bluetooth settings or use the Bolt receiver to connect the mouse to your device. To connect the second device, just press on the button once. It will start blink number 2. Again, you can follow the same instructions to connect to the second and the third device. So that's how you can enter pairing mode on your MX Master 3S mouse. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.